In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a donation form in Stripe. This is a quick and easy process to set up a Stripe donation landing page, and we'll do it in just a few minutes. Whether you're a non-profit looking to receive donations, or a business wanting to support a cause, creating a donation form is a straightforward task with Stripe, and I'm here to walk you through each step. First, let's open your web browser and head over to Stripe.com. You'll be welcomed to Stripe's homepage where you can access all of their online payment solutions. Next, you'll want to click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but for today, we'll assume you already have your email and password ready. Enter those credentials to get logged in. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Stripe dashboard. Here, go to the Home section to ensure you're at the starting point. From there, we'll need to navigate to the Payment Links option. On the dashboard sidebar, find Payment Links and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you'll create and manage all your payment links. To begin creating our new donation link, click on New to start the process. Among the various options you'll find, choose Customers choose what to pay. This selection is ideal for donation forms as it allows your supporters to decide the amount they wish to contribute. Next, we'll personalize the donation form. Start by typing in a title for your form. This could be something simple like support our cause or specific to your organization. Following that, type in a description that provides more context to potential donors, explaining what the donations will support or anything else relevant to the contribution. After setting the title and description, upload an image to complement your donation page. This helps to make your page more appealing and can provide visual context to what the donations will help achieve. Now it's time to set the currency in which you will accept donations. Make sure you select the appropriate currency that aligns with your donor base. Additionally, decide on whether you want to set any limits for the donations, such as a minimum amount. For advanced customization, click on Advanced Options. Here you'll find various settings, but focus on selecting Donate as the primary function. Finally, move to the After Payment section and set up a custom confirmation page to ensure donors receive feedback about their successful donation. Once everything is set and you're satisfied with how it looks, click on Create Link. Congratulations, you've just set up your very own Stripe donation form. Share this link with your community to begin accepting donations seamlessly. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide was helpful.